Hello everyone. Every morning used to be a little struggle. My daughter's old school bag was either too heavy or everything just wouldn't fit properly. Books, lunchbox, and water bottle, something was always missing or uncomfortable. As a mom, that really bored me because kids already have so much to manage in school. So this time I decided to find something better, something spacious and comfortable and durable. And that's when I come across this Tinytot 26-liter school bag, and honestly I was really curious. It is actually worth it. Let's unbox and see. Wow, first impression, the color is so nice and vibrant, perfect for kids and even college use. Material feels really strong and premium, and yes, it's water resistant, which is a big plus for school bags. Look at the size. This is an 18-inch bag with the 26-liter capacity, and so it's quite spacious. Front design is simple but stylish, and which makes it unisex. Boys and girls, even adults can use it. Straps are nicely padded, super important for kids, so their shoulders don't hurt. Let me show you the compartment. This main compartment is really big and easily fit books, notebooks, and even lunch box. Here another section for extra item like diary and clothes, and a side pocket for water bottle, very useful for school. Zipper feel smooth and strong, no cheap quality here. As a mom, I always look for durability and comfort, and I feel this bag tricks both. It's lightweight but still strong, so my daughter can carry it comfortably, and also water resistant material means no tension during rainy days. So overall, I am really happy with this purchase. If you are looking for a spacious, durable, and stylish school bag, this is definitely a good option. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then the link is in description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more reviews video. Till then, bye, take care guys.